Today, I'm so excited to share with you an interesting topic: how to grow sprouts at home. Step 1. Soak the seeds. First, soak the seeds in water with a ratio of 2 hot to 3 cold for 4 hours. After soaking, drain the seeds, rinse them thoroughly, and let them dry in a sieve. Step 2. Prepare the tray. Tear the paper towel into small pieces and spread them evenly over the base of the plastic tray. This paper towel layer will serve as a bed for the seeds. Step 3. Sow the seeds. Evenly scatter the seeds over the surface of the paper towel in the tray. Be careful not to let the seeds overlap. Once done, gently mist some water to provide initial moisture. Step 4. Maintain humidity. Cover the tray with plastic wrap to retain moisture and help the seeds germinate faster. Place the tray in a well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight. Step 5. Care for the sprouts. Within the first 1 to 2 days, you'll notice the seeds starting to sprout. Be sure to mist water daily to maintain the humidity. Step 6. Harvest. After about 5 days, you can harvest the sprouts by cutting them close to the roots with scissors. Rinse the sprouts thoroughly, and you'll have fresh, clean greens ready to use. So simple, right? With just a few small but careful steps, you can grow fresh and delicious sprouts for your family. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to my channel so we can continue this journey together in upcoming videos. Thank you, and I wish you great success with your tiny but delightful sprout garden.